we need to send a voltage to hydrogen generators so we can generate a known amount of hydrogen to calibrate the hydrogen sensor. And so the signal comes out of the Pyboard, goes through a 500,000 ohm 500K resistor, and that's a pulse width modulated signal, so it might be up half the time or up a quarter of the time, and we need to filter that with that 500K resistor and this 1 microfarad capacitor. That'll turn it into a voltage. That's then going to go to this 1881 model amplifier. There are actually two amplifiers on the chip, but the first one will take this filtered voltage, and we actually amplify that a little bit, well, tenfold, with a couple of 10K resistors on the input, and then the ratio of the 100K to 10K will give us a gain of 10. In cases where I'm not sure about resistor value, I put a couple of extra holes there where you can put a mounting post to more easily put a replacement resistor. At any rate, the signal comes out of the voltage comes out of the amplifier, and it goes through this 330 ohm resistor over to here, where I will put the solid state relays. So the purpose of this resistor is that we want to actually adjust the current that's flowing through this to the hydrogen generators. And so the way we do that is to actually measure the voltage drop across this resistor will be proportional to the current through the resistor, which then is the current that's going to the hydrogen generator. And that'll be the next step to measure that voltage drop. I'll solder these components on before placing the next batch so that things don't get too tangled. Turn on the solder fume sucker. And first I'll do the socket for the amplifier. And then the capacitor and resistors.